In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Jira experience by integrating rich filters into your dashboards. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, making sure you have all the tools you need to get the most out of this feature. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to Jira. Open your preferred web browser and head over to your company's Jira account. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll be prompted to do so now. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Jira homepage or the previous page you were working on. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't been here in a while. Jira is a great tool for tracking issues, tasks, and projects, offering an array of solutions to fit your project management needs. Now let's move on to integrating rich filters. From your Jira dashboard, look at the top of the page. You'll notice a menu bar with several options. Click on the Apps option to reveal a drop-down menu. This is where you can browse through the available applications that integrate with Jira. In this drop-down menu, there's an option that says Explore More Apps. Go ahead and click on that. It will take you to a marketplace where you can find a variety of add-ons to enhance Jira's capabilities. Here, in the search bar, type Rich Filters. You'll see several results pop up, but what you're specifically looking for is Rich Filters for Jira dashboards. This app provides dynamic filters that are particularly useful in customizing and optimizing your dashboard views. A rich filter lets you display data based on customized criteria, ideal for teams needing a more tailored view of their projects. Once you've found rich filters for Jira dashboards, click on it. You should see an overview of what this app allows you to do and some screenshots of it in action. If it looks like this app suits your needs, you'll want to install it. Fortunately, there's an option to try it free, which is perfect if you'd like to test the waters before committing fully. Click on Try It Free and follow any additional prompts to complete the installation process. This should be straightforward, with Jira guiding you along the way. With these steps completed, you're all set to start using rich filters in your dashboards. You'll probably notice an immediate improvement in how you can manipulate data to see what's most important to you and your team. Customize your dashboards as you see fit, and don't hesitate to experiment with the different filtering options available. This flexibility is what makes rich filters such a powerful tool in managing your tasks and projects within Jira. And that's it, a simple yet effective way to boost your Jira experience and improve the way you and your team interact with information on your dashboards. Thanks for joining, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Until next time, happy managing.